Refer to the user maintenance list to maintain your equipment. Use a soft, damp cloth with alcohol to wipe the surface of the equipment. Empty the resin tray. Pour a small amount of alcohol, 95%, into the resin tray. Use a clean cloth to remove resin residue from the tray. Spray the alcohol on the tray and use a clean cloth to wipe it until there is no dust, fingerprints, or stains. Use a light to check the tray is completely clean. Check to see if the release film is damaged. If so, replace. Place the platform into the wash unit. Pour some alcohol into the wash. Set the washing time for 2 minutes. Once complete, remove the build platform and use an air gun to dry it. Remove the build platform, resin bottle, resin refill valve, resin level and temperature sensor, and resin tray. Spray a small amount of alcohol onto a cloth and wipe the LED screen in one direction until there is no dust, fingerprints, or stains. Use a light to check the screen is completely clean. Lift the resin bottle partially. Then press the suspension button and let go of the bottle to make sure it is suspended. Remove the resin bottle when the resin liquid has finished dripping. Remove the resin refill valve, resin level, and temperature sensor. Unlock the resin tray from the printer and remove it. Clean the resin tray. Turn the resin tray upside down. Use the included hex key to remove all screws from the release film. After doing so, remove the release film from the tray. Peel the NFC tag from the tray and clean the adhesive residue. Place a new release film onto the tray. And use a hex key to screw the release film. Stick the new NFC tag onto the tray. Power off the Reflex. Remove the 3M tape from the screen and ensure no residue is left. Use the hex key to remove all screws. Unclip the screen from the printer and remove. Remove the protective film from the front and back of a new screen. Insert the new screen into the printer and clip. Power back on and place a clean paper on the screen. Go to Settings, click Clean Raw Material to check if there are black spots. If OK, screw back the lids on the side of the screen. Place the 3M tape over the screws to prevent light from leaking. Spray cleaning alcohol to clean the screen. Refer to the Wash and Cure user maintenance list to maintain your equipment.